So you want to learn about AI, cloud, data and the other tech skills? Well, Google just launched what could be the most valuable resource for you to learn in the year 2026. It's a new platform called Google Skills, and it's basically an entire university for the future of the tech for you, completely free to access. And here, my friends, we're talking about over 3,000 courses, professional certifications, hands-on labs that you can start today. And whether you're a total beginner who just want to use the AI to write better emails, or you're a developer who really wants to build the next ChatGPT, this platform has a path for you. So make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let's straight away jump into the Google Skills. So open your favorite browser and go to the site skills.google.com. I have also given the links in the description. This is the new home base for the Google certification or Google Learning, and unlike the old clunky learning portals, this is designed to be smart. So when you log into the Google Skills, you can do that with any of your standard Google account. You will be presented with this kind of personalized dashboard. And in this dashboard, you will be able to see all your active courses. You will be able to track your progress here. Not only that, you can also see all your achievements or your completed badges. And yes, you will be also able to see your streaks. Yes, Google has added the gamification to the learning. So here you can see all your streaks, Sunday, Monday. So a daily learning habit is being developed or encouraged by the Google. Okay, so right at the top, you can see this. What do you want to learn today? So here you can see multiple options. You have machine learning, you have cloud architecture, you have generative AI, or maybe you want to become data analyst, or you want to understand the security fundamentals. And not only these options, you can also type in, for example, let me say that I want to learn about the Kubernetes. So here you can type in and select the Kubernetes, or maybe let's say that you are interested to learn the TensorFlow. So then you can select and go ahead, select the TensorFlow. So this way you can use this search option. Now let me tell you the other aspect of this website. So here we talked about the dashboard. Then you also have this catalog option. Once again, very similar to the dashboard option. You can search anything that you want to learn. And not only that, there are some filters given on this page. For example, let's say that you want to focus on the learnings which has some skill badges, which has some completion badges, then you can filter that from here. Let's say you do not have 10 hours or 5 hours of time to spare and you want to learn something quickly. So that's where you can use this duration filter. You can go for the small courses, 30 minutes, 60 minutes and over 60 minutes. In case you are just a novice, in case you are a student who just want to start in case you are coming from other non-IT backgrounds, you can go for the introductory, you can go for the intermediate if you are a little bit more experienced, and the advanced players can also select the advanced option. Similarly, you have the format courses, whether you want to do some labs. Yes, that's very important. The labs, well, you're not just watching the videos in these kind of courses. You'll be solving quizzes, you'll be applying the concepts, and you'll be understanding how the Google's own AI tools work. Now let's go back to the dashboard once again and let's take some example and see how this actually works. So let's say that I want to learn something about the cloud architecture. Let me choose that option, and now you can see that Google has given me all the options and all the courses that are related to the cloud architecture or cloud learning. One important thing I want to once again mention this, that here we can see the distinction. What are the courses? So here you can see this is a course. Secondly, this is a course with a skill badge. So that small cues you can take care of and you will be able to get the maximum of the Google skills. So here we can see we have this networking in Google Cloud, and once you go to the specific module, you can see more details here. What is the overview of the course that you will also get here? This will really help you understand the course and whether the course is actually for you or not, or whether you want to choose another module. Going back once again, I want to show you another example, generative AI. So here you can see that we have generative AI leader. In this course, not only you have theory, but you also have these activities. to really understand and do yourself in generative AI. And in this course, you will be able to learn how to articulate the capabilities of the generative AI. Not only that, you will be able to understand the concepts and how to benefit from the generative AI in your daily work. It could be your organization, it could be as a student, it could be as a marketing agent. Choose the course that is related to your career growth. Wonderful is that this all is given for free. Let's talk about the certifications, what kind of badges you get. So with the Google skills, you can earn the course completion certificates. You can also earn the skill badges. You'll be also getting the Google career certificates. And these certificates are issued by Google. They're recognized by the employers worldwide. And on top of that, you can flash them, flaunt them on your LinkedIn profiles. So if you are aiming for the roles like cloud engineer, data engineer, machine learning engineer, AI specialist, this is a wonderful website to start learning. Now let's talk about another option that is called Paths. And this is another very good option to explore. What unique about this option, the Path, is that here you can find the courses related to a specific role. So let's say that you want to be a cloud architect, you want to be a data engineer, or maybe you are interested in the hybrid or multi-cloud architecture. You can also be exploring the machine learning. The beauty about these ones is that you can focus on a specific role that you want to do or you want to follow. Here I have opened the cloud architect. So in this certification or in this learning, you have 24 activities, and this one is actually updated just one day before. So these are not stale courses, these are not obsolete learnings that you are getting. You can read that these courses that pursuing the Google Cloud Professional Cloud Architect certification, which is ranked second on the global knowledge list of 15 top paying certification in 2021. But this is quite relevant in the year 2026 as well. And in this program, you will be able to learn how to deploy the solution elements, how to include infrastructure components, how to work or set up the networks, how to set up the systems, the application services. Not only that, you get the practical knowledge, and that's very important, my friends. Not the theory, but the practical. That will take your career to a next or whole new level. I have a question for you. So if you could learn one tech skill overnight, what would that be? Will it be AI? Will it be generative AI? Will it be prompt engineering, Python, data science? Let me know in the comment section. Now let's talk about one more option here. So let me go to this collection. So here you have a new way to learn AI. It will be just 10 minutes with the Google certificate or Google courses, and it will give you bite-sized learning. 10 minutes you can devote to start your AI learning. So we have AI boost bites, we have AI power-ups for Google Workspace. You'll be able to understand how to tame the AI in your inboxes. Notebook LLM. I think Notebook LLM is one tool that I have been using almost daily basis. So incredible tool. I think you must learn it. Then my friends, once again, the other option that we have in the collection is career certification, and here you get the job ready skills that you can put to work. Then we also have this option of cloud. You will be able to explore all these cloud certification, cloud learning. Now let's talk about why is this Google skills website so much of worth. So first of all, it is free. It is backed by Google. It touches the real and in-demand skills. And then it works for beginners, it works for intermediate level people, it works for professional people at the advanced level. So whether you are a student, whether you are an IT professional, or you just want to switch the career, this platform is a gold mine. I have given the links to the Google skills in the description box. Explore the courses, browse the courses, track the paths. What are the certifications that are available which are best suited for you? And in case this video gave you any value, please smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and that's all for today. I will see you in the next video. Till then, stay fit, keep learning, and thanks for watching.